Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to make coffee using milk powder and coffee powder. Normally if you travel somewhere, you may get this boiler or heater and all this coffee powder, tea powder, etc. But most of the cases we end up doing it wrongly. So today I'm going to show you how to make perfect coffee using milk powder. So let me open milk powder and put it in the glass. Now add water, about 100 ml, more than that maybe. This is enough. If you want thicker, you can keep it less, or if you want lighter, you can add more water. About 2-3 minutes. So now you can see the milk flavor. So now the milk is ready. What I'll do is I'll put it in the heater. So I have already used it, so please don't mind, and I have turned it on. So now you can see the milk is really going crazy, so I'm turning it off. So what I'll do is I'll put little, maybe about 1 or 2 spoons of milk here, and take coffee powder. Nescafe is always good, so go for it if you have. I prefer Nescafe over brew because it has solid coffee flavor in it. So now you need to add sugar. Add as per your taste. Need to mix once again. So make it as hot as possible. Okay, now it's done. Now turn off before lifting as well. Okay. So now let me add this hot milk. Here you go. Your awesome coffee is ready. Try this, and if you get good coffee, don't forget to hit like and also drop a comment to show the support. Thank you. Bye bye.